Hi, SBI Mutual Fund presents SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund. SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund is a new fund offer, that is NFO. NFO started on 29th July and the NFO closes on 12th August 2024. So, as we all believe that technological advancement and innovation is the key driver for any economy. 10 years ago, we would have never imagined that groceries will deliver to our doorstep within 10 minutes. Similarly, we can book the cabs with the comfort of our mobile. So, technological advancement and innovation has made our lives very much easy. We believe technology and innovation can play a great role in futures to come. So any company or any product or any process that focuses on innovation will have high growth in the near future. So SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund will invest in such kind of sectors. To invest and to know more, you can reach out to us on 9980 12 790. Thanks.